This amazing South Corona home has all of the amenities that make this a truly luxurious home. Welcome to 974 Alexandra Drive.
We can't wait to show you what's inside.
Surround yourself with comfort and serenity in this fantastic single-story home, which boasts just under 4,000 square feet on a little over half an acre. Welcome your guests inside the formal entry, which opens to a magnificent living room and formal dining, both of which are accented by 14-foot coffered ceilings with backlit crown molding. Just off the foyer, you'll find a den, powder room, and a spacious laundry room. For the discerning chef, the gourmet kitchen is a wonder to behold. Completely remodeled with no expense spared, you'll love the custom Decora cabinetry, featuring loads of soft closed drawers and expansive marble counters. Enjoy Thermador appliances including a 6-burner gas range, double wall oven, and built-in refrigerator.
What gourmet kitchen would be complete without a built-in wine refrigerator and Maeli coffee station? The kitchen is open to the living room with built-in storage, ample room for relaxing, and spacious enough to fit a pool table for game nights.
You think this is spectacular, wait until you see the outside.
French doors lead to a covered outdoor patio, highlighted by a dramatic fireplace. Unwind after a long day by relaxing and watching your favorite movie. This island is a complete outdoor kitchen with a refrigerator, gas cooktop, and a brand new top-of-the-line Twin Eagles gas grill. And this bar area easily seats 8. The large yard affords room for lawn games, and a low-maintenance slope provides privacy. There's plenty of space to build a pool and spa. A private courtyard is just off the primary bedroom, and around the corner is a shed for more storage of outdoor furniture and game equipment.
The east wing of the home includes 2 bedrooms separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Bedroom 3 has its own private bathroom. And the primary suite offers the retreat you deserve. The deluxe bathroom was remodeled with custom cabinetry and marble counters, high-end faucets, and upgraded lighting. Luxuriate in the modern freestanding Ben Ultra tub with a distinctive faucet. The adjacent walk-in closet has a built-in organizer system to maximize storage.
Rounding out the home is a 3-car garage highlighted by epoxy flooring and cabinets for all your storage needs. And for those weekend getaways, the gated RV pad easily fits a 55-foot recreational vehicle. Or you can use this space just adjacent to the covered patio for large outdoor gatherings of family and friends. This amazing neighborhood is centrally located with award-winning schools like Santiago High School and Susan B. Anthony Elementary. And local parks are Santiago Regional Park and Citrus Park.
And with no Mello-Roos or HOA, coveted homes in this neighborhood rarely come on the market.
For your own private tour of this luxurious home, give us a call today at 951-660-5926.